world is no longer waiting for AI, it's demanding it. In just a few months, ChatGPT went from a novelty to an essential business tool. Now, AI isn't just for tech giants. Companies in every sector, from finance and healthcare to retail and entertainment, are scrambling to adopt AI technologies. And they need AI and ML engineers fast. So why is everyone talking about AI and machine learning? Let me break it down for you. According to LinkedIn, AI-related job posts are up 74% every year, and that's not slowing down anytime soon. And companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Apple are leading the charge, and they are desperate for talent. But here's the kicker. They are not just waiting around for the right people to show up. They need skilled engineers now. Every industry, from tech giants to startup, is on a mission to build AI-powered systems, and they are looking for you. Talking about the salaries, they are just jaw-dropping. In the US, an AI engineer can earn an average salary of $110,000 per year. And in India, machine learning engineers are pulling in 10 lakh rupees per year on even average. And as you get more experience, those numbers keep on climbing. Senior AI specialists can easily make over $200,000 annually. So with numbers like these, it's clear AI isn't just a hot trend, it's becoming essential. And the best part is, the demand is growing fast. Just listen to what Elon Musk says about this. He calls AI the biggest disruption since electricity. Satya Nadella from Microsoft also says that AI is the new paradigm every company is chasing right now. Even Sundar Pichai from Google has called AI more profound than fire or electricity combined. It's not just a talk. AI is changing everything. And if you want in this revolution, now is the time to act. So if you have been thinking about jumping into AI or switching careers to something more exciting and high-paying, now is the time to start. But how do you even get started? That's where the professional certificate program in generative AI and machine learning from the E&I Seat Academy, IIT Guwahati comes in. Now I know you're thinking there are a lot of courses out there. So why this one? Well, here's the thing. This program isn't just for another online course. It's designed to kickstart your career in AI with the best of the best. You learn from the IIT Guwahati faculty who are experts in this field and industry professionals who have real-world experience. And that's not all. You're not just sitting through lectures here, you'll be doing hands-on projects, and trust me, these projects are not just theory. They'll prepare you for real jobs in AI and machine learning. Here's something cool, 25 plus real-life projects using the latest tools like ChatGPT, Hugging Face, DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and TensorFlow. You'll also get to build your own virtual assistant using generative AI. You'll also get to create a machine learning model to predict employee attrition at a company, and even analyze Tesla's autopilot features with data analysis. These are the kinds of hands-on experience that will make you feel ready for anything. By the end of this course, you won't just understand AI, you'll have practical skills that top companies are looking for. And now, let's talk about the faculty. You won't just be learning from anyone. The program is led by experienced industry experts and IIT Guwahati faculty who have hands-on experience in AI and machine learning. These are professionals who have worked with top companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft, and they are here to share everything they know to set you up for success. And here's another game changer. It's not just about the learning. You'll get full career support too. Simplilearn's Job Assist program will help you build a killer resume, get noticed by top employees, and even prepare you for interviews with mock sessions and personalized coaching. Plus, you'll also get access to exclusive hackathons and Ask Me Anything sessions with IBM experts. Networking opportunities like this are priceless for anyone looking to break into AI or machine learning. So let's talk about what you will actually learn in this program. First, you'll begin with the basics like Python and data science. Then you'll dive into the exciting world of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing (NLP). Plus, you'll even explore reinforcement learning. And by the end of this course, you will be confident using generative AI tools to create your own AI-driven solutions. So this program covers it all from start to finish. And the best part is, the roles you'll be ready for will be the AI engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, generative AI specialist. Plus, salaries in this field are amazing. After completing the program, you can land high-paying jobs at top companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. AI engineers can make up to $110,000 per year in the US. And in India, machine learning engineers can earn around 10 lakh rupees annually, and that can grow quickly as you gain more experience. So why choose this program over others? Because it's backed by IIT Guwahati, one of the top technical institutes in India, and it's taught by the industry experts who've been where you want to go. You'll also get to join a dynamic community of like-minded learners from across the world. This isn't just a course, it's a pathway to a successful career in one of the most exciting fields today. The program starts soon, so if you're ready to kickstart your career in AI and machine learning, now is the time. Click in the description box below to apply now and start your journey toward a high-paying, exciting career in AI. This could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more career transforming opportunities like this. And if you have any question, leave them in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you, and keep learning with Simply Learn.